Welcome to Rather Be Teaching. I'm Janelle Carroll, and let's get started. Today, I'd rather be teaching Wonder ELA. Let's take a look at the timer and the scoreboard. So you are going to have this amazing Wonder ELA Monopoly board up projecting on your big screen for all your students to see. What's really great about this is that you can have this set up ready to go before your students come in. Usually after recess, when I knew students were going to be coming back, I would have this up, some music playing that kind of went with this theme. And if you notice, the timer is already on the template for you, and I would suggest using that 45 minutes for this. So you have all of this ready to go, and the momentum is high, and when students come in, they're super excited. So as you can imagine, this really is a game changer with the Wonders because students know that they're going to be doing something engaging and exciting, and you just want to keep that momentum building through this. Now the scoreboard can be given to every team captain. So they only need one of these per group. This is going to be how they're going to be keeping score. Now, you can always modify the scoreboard. You can take things out, you can put other things in, but this is basically what it comes with and what the scoreboard looks like. And we will get a little bit more into detail about the scoreboard, but students will be earning those thimbles, battleship, the little icons. They will be earning those tokens, and those tokens mean that they completed those stations. Now, if you didn't want to use the tokens, sometimes I did have students just cross out like the top hat or cross out the money bag. Then they would know that they finished that station. So make sure that you stick around for the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.